So the one thing that I would like public policy students to remember from our program is that there is no public policy without politics, whether we talk about classical party politics or politics by organized interests. And I think in order to understand how public policies evolve, how policies change and develop over time, we need to understand the political context where these public policies are implemented. It is often only through the institutional and the political context that we understand why policies are successful or why they fail, and why they produce unintended consequences which are not present in a different institutional or political context. The importance of politics in public policy making is also reflected in my own research. In an ongoing project, I assessed strategic and political determinants of fiscal consolidation, or so-called unpopular reforms. So this research shows that governments act very strategically when it comes to plan and time so-called unpopular reforms. The results actually show that the probability that governments implement fiscal consolidation or retrenchment events are much higher at the beginning of the electoral cycle. That means they try to time such reforms right after they have been elected into office. So there is a significant difference in the size of such reform project between left-wing type of governments and conservative governments, with left-wing governments trying to cut significantly less or trying to implement smaller types of consolidation events than conservative government. This in a way goes against some conventional wisdom which says that party politics or politics in general doesn't have an effect on public policy making anymore in open and globalized economies.